Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a picker. Okay, basically this job description of a picker, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important duties and responsibilities of a picker that helps potential candidates to work on important requirement in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so as you can see, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph, then we will see more detailed duties and responsibilities and requirement section related to this particular job of a picker. Okay, so as written on your screen, we are looking to hire an energetic picker to assist us in preparing orders for shipping. The picker will utilize requisitions and order sheets to pick a wide variety of items, place and arrange items in containers and bins following specific instructions, and arrange containers on pallets. The picker will check containers for damage and confirm correct items and quantities are selected. You will perform duties in accordance with standard operating instructions and ensure inbound and outbound shipments are correct and defect-free. You will operate a forklift, maintain equipment and perform basic maintenance, conduct physical inventories and report quality variances. To ensure success in this position, you will need to perform to a high level of accuracy. Top candidates will be upstanding, organized and able to perform under pressure. So this is our job summary paragraph. Okay, after the job summary section, we have the detailed duties and responsibilities section. It includes more detailed duties and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate. And one important thing, all these duties and responsibilities are important, and generally these are part of every job description of a picker. But because of the fact a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude this particular duties and responsibilities section with as per their own requirement. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these duties and responsibilities. As a picker, you must ensure that work areas are kept clean, neat and well organized, packing incoming stock away, taking inventory and reporting shortages, keeping records of incoming and outgoing shipments, picking orders as requested by management, sealing and tagging containers, confirming accuracy of orders and signing pick tickets to confirm, ensuring correct shipping information is attached and moving completed orders to shipping area, placing containers on pallets and securing with stretch wrap, shrink wrap and strapping, loading and unloading trucks by using totes, jacks and forklifts, complying with OSHA and other safety regulations, assisting in maintaining security of warehouse. After the duties and responsibilities section, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education skills and sometimes experience requirement as well, that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a picker. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a picker, you must have high school diploma, GET or suitable equivalent. You must have more than 1 year's work experience in a similar role. Excellent verbal communication skills, ability to work harmoniously with diverse range of people, proficient with using tools required for this position. You must be physically agile and dexterous, proficient organizational skills. So all these are the requirements, or you can say qualification related to the job of a picker. At the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job. Okay, so basically a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And